This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming why the denture needs relining, loose fit or sore spots. Once done, clean and dry the denture thoroughly and inspect the tissue. Put on gloves and prepare the Reline It components. Mix according to the kit instructions. Use the exact ratio and mix for the stated 30 to 60 seconds until the material is a uniform color and consistency. Make sure to set a visible timer and work over a tray to catch any excess. This gets you ready for seating immediately. You apply the mixed Reline It evenly to the intaglio surface, avoiding overfilling. A thin, even layer prevents occlusal interference. Once applied, guide the patient to seat the denture with steady, even pressure and instruct them to bite gently and centric to capture proper occlusal relationships. After seating, hold the denture steady for the manufacturer's setting window, typically 4 to 6 minutes, so the material adapts to the tissues. Then carefully remove the denture. Trim excess and inspect the impression for completeness and even contact. You finish by trimming and polishing the new Reline so margins are smooth and comfortable against the mucosa. Once polished, seat the denture and verify occlusion, adjusting high spots with a fine acrylic burr or stone. Make small incremental changes and recheck. If the patient reports persistent soreness or the material shows voids, remove the Reline and reassess for undercuts, excessive thickness, or a sensitivity to the product. If needed, repeat the procedure or refer for a laboratory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.